Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your Honor 90. So the first step, open the Play Store and look for the EasyFax app. Install it and open. Decide that you want to get notifications. Remember that we have your free credits banner. To show it again after the setup, you have to restart the application. Now add a permission to camera and to the files. Now click on the plus and choose source every document, like something from the gallery. Click on the import. Then you can add just a shape to the picture or the photo. Click on the arrow icon if you're ready. Now choose the filter for the photo to make it more visible for the receiver. If you're ready, click accept. Type the number in this place. Choose the country from the list. And to send this message, just click on this button. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.